What's going on, you guys? We have my 1999 Honda Accord back with us today. It needs some help on the interior and the exterior, but for the most part, we're gonna knock down the interior and making it smell good with our brand new Tropical Eruption 16-ounce bottle. We know you guys love the hanging air freshener so much that we doubled up on them and made a 16-ounce version and a 4-ounce version for you guys for on-the-go purposes. So stay tuned, let's get this done because we gotta clean this up. So now that we're here at the interior of the vehicle, let's break it down. We have carpets, mats, fabric seats, and other components such as my center console, my dashboard, and my steering wheel. Keep in mind, you guys, we have specific products for every single surface, like a vacuum, mat renew, lining fast for all my fabric seats, and total interior to make sure I'm wiping down every single component safely and properly. Some accessories, just microfiber towels and a couple brushes. There's a lot to tackle down, so let's jump into it. So as I'm removing my floor mats, you can see how dirty they are. Keep in mind, you guys, we step everywhere with our shoes and we bring that back onto our car. This is why there's a lot of dirtiness. That's why it could feel musty. It could smell musty because all those exterior elements are not transferred into your vehicle. So let's clean this up because this is dirty. So the way I like to start my interior details is by starting off with the vacuum process. I want to vacuum all my seats, all my carpets, and everything else that has lingering dust, just to remove it and basically make my life a lot easier. So let's turn on the vacuum, pick up all this trash, and move on to the next. We vacuum our seats. Now let's get into the meaty portion of the interior detail, which will be our seats. We're gonna be using our lining fast and pairing it with our drill brush attachment, making my job a lot easier. As you can see, I've been using it to knock down most of the interior. All I need left is this passenger seat. And I'm not sure if you can tell or the camera could do justice, but I have half of the seat done already. It's getting dried. Now it's time for me to move on to the rest of the seat. Check this out. You're gonna grab your bottle, mist a good amount onto the portion. Obviously, depending on how bad your seats are, that's gonna determine how much product to use. You could always use more if needed. Get your drill brush attachment. I already have it lathered up. If not, apply some on there as well. Working it onto your seat and just begin to match it. Real quick, you guys, a quick note. If any excess splats onto any surface, this is why I wanna do this first rather than wiping down my surfaces and coming to this, because I know that can happen. So always resort to wiping down things like your dashboard, your center console last. This way, you don't do double work, as in cleaning them and then having to clean them again. On the quick note as well, you guys, I know a lot of you guys rather use a vacuum extractor. That's perfectly fine. But for right now, due to time being of the essence, a microfiber can absorb everything. They're really good at that. So just get a clean and dry microfiber towel and work it in to soak up all that. We're gonna come back to that in a few, let it dry, let it do its thing, and my car is already smelling a lot better. So that's a plus. So now that we have the majority of the interior dialed in, talking about the carpets, the seats, now it's time to move on to the dashboard, center console, steering wheel, and things like my windows, etc. We're gonna be using our total interior, which is my personal favorite, our black cherry scent, and a microfiber towel. Watch how easy this is. We're gonna get some and apply to our microfiber towel. This way I'm just ensuring a safe interior wipe down. So a little bit more doesn't hurt. And now just start wiping down the surfaces. So I'm gonna come around and just start wiping everything that my hands are always touching. And just look at that, a few passes. I'm not sure how good the camera could pick that up, but look how dirty that is. And that could be anything in your interior. Keep in mind, you guys, we're constantly touching germs on the outside portion of the environment. Look at that, you guys. That's just by wiping down my steering wheel. That's literally not wiping down any other surface. So just imagine how dirty this dude left my car, which is pretty cool. It's all right because I love cleaning regardless, and my car is now fixed. So it's a win-win for me. Spray a couple more. And just wipe down everything else, man. Everything you see dirty or clean, keep in mind, or clean, and I'm emphasizing that because sometimes, like my steering wheel, I didn't think that was that dirty, and with a few passes, you've seen how much dirt I picked up. Just look at this, you guys. This is just by cleaning my dashboard and my steering wheel. That's pretty disgusting if you ask me. And this is only 2 weeks worth of not maintaining my car. So just imagine for you guys that don't wash your car frequently, I try to wash mine at least once a week, but because this happens right here. This is 2 weeks of me neglecting my interior. I need you guys to start cleaning your interiors because this is where you guys spend most of your time, and you can see how much gets on there. So now that we've exited the vehicle, we wiped down everything. Just look at how dirty my interior was, you guys. I'm not sure if it's picking up pretty good, but this is how we ended up. And this is how we started off. A clean, brand new microfiber towel. This could be your interior. So now that we have everything finished and dialed in, I'm talking about my carpets, my seats, all my interior components are now looking clean, smelling good, but nothing completes an interior detail other than your favorite air freshener. And keep in mind, your favorite air freshener, the Tropical Eruption, is now available in our 16-ounce bottle and in a 4-ounce bottle. Why? Because we know you guys love it so much, we had to take it out like this. And it's so easy to use. Make sure you have everything clean. This way you're not getting any reoccurring foul odors. Get your 16-ounce bottle or your 4-ounce bottle, open it up, and always spray onto your footwells. So I'm gonna bring it down here, give it a few mists, and make sure to spray here as well. This way it recirculates through your AAC vents, leaving you a nice, long-lasting fresh scent. I'm gonna do this to every single mat. Spray here, back here, and of course, the driver's seat. The captain's chair has to get some love too. And it's just that easy. Now we get our 3-pack air freshener, making sure my scent is long lasting. And bam, golden. Just like that, you've now completed your whole interior makeover and refresh with everything you've seen here. Carpets, seats, components, to your favorite long-lasting air freshener, our brand new Tropical Eruption scent. Keep in mind, we have it in a hanging air freshener or your 16-ounce bottle and your favorite 4-ounce bottle for on-the-go purposes. We thought about everyone. So for those of you guys that blow up the bathroom, we also took it out in our flush. This wasn't an April Fool's prank. This is an actual product. Our flush toilet spray, available in our Tropical Eruption scent as well. Keep in mind, you guys, this is great to have at the home, in your guest bathroom, garage shop, or just at home chilling, because who doesn't need one of these? Keep that in mind, available in your favorite Tropical Eruption scent. With that being said, you guys, clean up your interiors, make them smell good with our brand new scent. As always, I'm Alex. Pleasure being here with you guys today. See you guys on the next one.